morning. Some of us are tuning in inside the Basa. Some of us tuning in inside the Keria.
Dinasar.
Coming down to Tambasa.
Iyo.
This is a wonderful morning. Likewise,
Yeah.
to all tuning in from the other side of overseas.
Okay, see your face is half book. The camera is facing you. Right, Julum. Julum. Good morning to everyone. This morning, last night,
Yeah.
it was a good night
Why?
for the showcase.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Fiji showcase because myself,
Iyo.
I'm from the 31st of living in this world.
Iyo.
I've been hearing, I've been heard the story from our father, mother, our ancestors.
Yeah.
Because of the Wekula Kitabwa.
Right.
Yesterday, the first time for me to see them.
Oh, yeah.
They participating.
Yeah.
No break. Kalijao. Full speed.
Oh, last night.
Very good band.
Nakakabor-bor niya log.
Kakabor-bor
ni utong eh?
Utongo.
Iyo.
And my kasi Rua.
Iyo.
The
Katarina.
Bunde ni West.
Iyo.
Iyo.
All the song, low, slow.
Boy, the introduction is very good.
Yes.
When I watch them,
Yeah.
I compare them to Lucky Dube.
Iyo.
Because Lucky Dube, you saw Lucky Dube when he's singing.
Yeah.
Sing. Sometimes all the people at the back singing,
Iyo.
dance in front.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, right.
You see the difference, eh?
Yeah. Laibo de isese.
Iyo, ay po siya
Yeah.
And
policy,
Thank you very much to Eroni Buniwanga, to Sekowe Buniwanga and the family
Yeah.
from Tabo Levu and also to the Ndele Bangani
Dina.
and the Wekula ni Matani Singabu Ketabua.
Yeah.
But from yesterday's feedback from the people,
Yeah, due to public demand,
Yeah.
they will appear on stage again this Friday.
right?
7:30 to 8:30.
If you miss them from
Yesterday,
yesterday,
last night.
you'll meet them again this Friday.
Don't know
They will be performing. And
Porque eu kada go simber bumbo tero suba sa kisar bagondo ya.
Iyo.
Esa ka bagondo na music sang itu nga. Na ser sa lagu tu na ser.
you know, and that guy playing the
Keyboard.
piano,
Yeah.
keyboard.
Iya.
Oh, and I said like this.
Yeah.
I saw that Buddha from the jazz band. The blue t-shirt.
yeah, my tao.
My Tao.
Kairogo.
My Tao is different.
Yeah.
When I was a small kid, I used to watch that My Tao.
O nei tatura nait.
Iyo.
Iya.
But
Moape, nei ta moape.
I was very happy last night.
Iya.
I shake his hand.
The keyboard was talking.
Oh, keyboard was talking.
Iya.
And then she came
The
running.
keyboard was laughing.
Laughing. Yo. And then came running to him.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
we had only one sound when the music started.
Yeah.
Only one sound from the stage.
Right.
The keyboard was in the stage.
Yeah.
And after that, we had another thing.
Another yo. Another
sound.
keyboard.
Yo, another keyboard.
Iya.
Playing.
The keyboard was
The
crying.
keyboard was crying.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Emotional.
Eh, ano ka to the driver of LC824. Proceeding dalana kikibili kita kira ngoni bulin LC if iya, kikibili kita driver di LC di orang bulin main
Iya.
nama kadi ko. 588. Iya. Niandra di mata benak.
Thank you too. Yesterday,
Iyo.
if you are roaming around, good place to go and know you
Iyo.
very well on your pressure,
Iya.
on your blood type,
Right.
blood pressure,
Iya.
the sugar,
Dono.
everything about you,
Iyo.
your weight.
Right.
Together, the Ministry of Health is there too
Dono mo benak.
for free services.
Free services,
And not
eh?
only that,
Iyo.
if you are there, you are roaming around, especially to everyone.
Yeah.
If you wanna test for HIV/AIDS,
Iyo.
Yeah.
just for your membality, ko
Your concentration,
kilay ko binaka.
Ano?
Concentration.
Yeah, they are there too. Different kind of people there with different services.
Yeah.
And a different kind of food.
Yeah.
Samuel Nasokia. Oh, ano binang mo ano binaka.
And today we call this Wednesday is the Comfort Home Wednesday,
Yeah.
which is today. So whenever you reach the Vodafone Arena, make sure to visit their booth, the Comfort Home. Membaleta no mo dona kan no mo ni vale and songo le beneficio que go may baka no mi tu be ko.
Yes.
And the message was telling us this morning, we came in no kadar borong sumay, that he went to the MOH booth. There were how many girls were there?
Three.
Betul. Okay, ito rin mo kata-kata.
Take my pressure,
Oh.
humidity, or
Na
temperature.
tambay lemah mana
Demasi. Demasi membutama.
Ito ya?
No, they check me.
Iyo.
They have the
That's a full body checkup or full body massage?
Full body massage mel lupa. No, the dental to there.
Iya.
You check your pressure.
Iya.
You check your blood. Nemu your weight.
Iya.
Your height.
Your sugar.
Your sugar. Because everything that will be met.
Iya.
If you have something absent from there,
Iya.
you need to be careful of your.
Don't go
diet.
back. Okay, there's one thing that reminds me of your story this morning, Demesi. You were telling us from the time you were back in school, from 6 until now, your weight is the same, 69.
Yeah, 69 to. That's the weight from that time, from 6 till now. And I
Okay,
asked,
ito na rin, ito na muna.
and I asked Tanis,
Iyo,
from 6 till now, my same weight still the same.
iyo.
I want to ask a question.
Yeah.
Is that healthy?
Oh.
Okay. What do you think? Okay, hold on.
Is it
What do you
normal?
think, Sam?
No, maybe
Yeah.
it's lack of some of the nutrition
Yeah.
should go into your body.
That
Like what? Sen.
No, like, you like
Sen.
Sen gore na ba mulipate. Jena timbi wen na to bata be ratu inoke en na miau erre.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe
Okay,
some
what,
of the-
Sam, what do you think?
Iyo.
The Mrs. weight is baka stagnant to nga. 69.
Consistency.
Iyo. Kasi ito sila mo kung sakaka. Yeah, maybe it's lack of some nutrients.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should add some nutrients. Wait.
Yeah.
Every day you should buy McDonald's. After 1 month you will see.
If you want to be consistency, Jena Timbu said, yeah. If Jena Timbu said,
Yeah.
weight still the same because of the Berna nga.
Iyo.
I'm wondering
Yeah.
why
Excuse me.
the Mrs. weight is like that. Manang ko sa ko ta sana
Yeah.
because he's got 3 kids now
Iyo.
and his weight is still the same.
Boy.
Yeah.
Bala.
Balaba.
I asked Nes. Nes,
Yeah.
is it normal for me to have this
Category.
category from 20
High school?
high school
Yeah.
till now?
Yeah.
And I count it back. Now, 2017 we start jobbing here.
Yeah.
So we count it back to the secondary school times.
Yeah.
So it's 10 plus years
Yeah.
for being the same stagnant, consistent
Yeah.
weight, third number. And I was like this and I asked, it's normal. And then they
Yeah.
said,
Yeah.
you know what they said?
Yeah.
You are very healthy man.
Healthy man.
Oi.
Eh?
Maybe they hide the stats.
Yeah.
Not stats. They said you are very, very healthy man. You maintain discipline, you maintain your healthy situation to the on par.
What no, the Messi?
See, the Messi.
Yeah.
You are 31 now and still 69 weight.
Yeah.
So I'm with Napukoroi. Napukoroi is saying something here.
Yeah.
He should eat a lot of goat meat.
I'm a vegetarian.
May mo tuko nga vegetarian no kana me.
Go na to aturangan ni nang kain tamu mai koro bossar in namara asawa. And I'm like a vegetarian. Good morning to you this morning. Thank you very much, that Timbu.
Yeah.
Without you,
Yeah. Without me.
without me. You know, when I called the phone this morning, I woke up at 6 something.
Yeah.
And I wake up like this. I call the taxi driver on that side. Nobody respond.
Yeah.
Lucky, Jay Dati was there.
Okay.
And I was like, Jay Dati, no.
Yeah.
Sorry for disturbing you this morning. I
Okay.
wanna please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't let this, please,
Yeah.
going beyond you. I really need you to come and pick me up. I want to go to jobbing.
Right.
Because if
Yeah.
I miss this morning,
Yeah.
I will receive a letter of going away home for good and for now and forever.
What about the time? Yeah. I think we told you. Isa, sorry.
Yeah.
My car is breakdown.
Yeah.
If
What
the
you do?
if the car break down,
Yeah.
I'll break my heart.
Arto na Epic Tours and transfer. Epic Tours and transfer do yan na matalo. Okay.
This is from where?
Our last lap this morning, the Messi, back to
Yeah.
your weight
now,
69.
Now 69 kg.
Yeah.
Now his old brother is laughing.
Who?
Father Kula Tambolo.
Hey, father.
Iyo. His old brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay.
We are still in the father. Yesterday I went about to say good morning to Passione Maxiale,
Yeah.
to Esther Zola,
Yeah.
from Odina Koro wala ka windina. Kona kuno tukina Corniloto. Monokula.
Yeah.
Monokula from Ra.
Yeah.
And also to everybody joining from Esta Senior.
Yeah.
And also to Ani.
Right.
This staff from the Mast.
Yeah.
They're joining this morning. Good morning to Father.
Yeah.
To Daddy. To Takoila Kalosa.
Yeah.
Joining from the Mast.
Yeah. According to your 69 category, what is the recipe of that? So that we can be 69 as well.
Yeah.
KG. 69 mai. Oh, siya ka naman buta. Hindi ka nang bimbi mananguna yan. May tapos yung ano. Ono sa mabulukan yun na KG. Mai.
Okay, right.
What's your recipe?
The recipe is this.
Yeah.
Eat a lot of leaves without permission. This is vegetarian. Vegetarian, sleep at the right time.
But last night you sleep at the wrong time.
I sleep at the right time, but the wrong place. Because if you sleep at the right time, if you care about your diet, you know, our eyes is very, very...
Sap.
No. Namatanda. Okay. Ik. Ano na mama bumalang?
Understand.
Mama bumalang.
Look everywhere.
Iyo.
Tamagor, here.
Kan mamaw.
Yeah,
Our eyes kan mamaw.
Yeah.
Because the only time you mamaw is when you passed away.
Oh, okay.
And ang rawangan ni mamaw na mata mo kaya pagkausap ka din. Because your eyes see something, he need it.
Right.
Ni narita nga doon na kaya nga roba na mata mo.
Right. Okay.
That is where, be careful of your eye. Because eye is an outer organ of your mind.
You saying,
Boy.
Ratu tahu atu is Buddha. So you saying,
Demoko.
So Ratu tahu, whenever say something is angry.
No.
Huh?
Because different texts we have. Different humidity we face. Different climate we live.
Right.
This one.
Who?
This one. Atu. The weight is different. Because you from Rewanga side. I'm from Balelebu. We both.
Climbing up.
Iyo, kentar sampai Libanua. The reason why she does not consistent on the weight because he always going to the abattoir.
Nakanasu.
That's why you see his road to Nabilebu. He'll pass the abattoir. If not go to the abattoir, he'll go to the cemetery.
No, ni sui.
Tori katinay, mula bila ka from Kelen. Isa, thank you. Tamay makilesin daw mula bila ka.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wherever you see them is in town today, please call him 69 kg.
Hey,
onwards, I'm going to eat the grass.
Yeah, eat the grass.
You should change your name. No more Demes.
Okay.
Your name is 69.
Yeah, I'll come to.
You 69?
I'll come to an end.
You 69? William Linganga is 670.
All right. Thank you very much, Punjas. We love you all.
69 kg, boy. Para na po. Eu sa sa ka naman buta Dems.
Kaya wakila ni Bango ni sa may beso na lang ko ko ngalitalan.
Siya nga menangon na yakin ang paking ngono ko. Endo sa kembalen arton auro no na matal si Dems au pambuta ni kabimbin din nakanda tiloma.
Ngorikan ni sara.
Sir ni biso ka.
Sino bisa?
Okay. Tukulam naman ng secret.
Kung ano na recipe? Para ka na
Kala kami dito na singa.
walu.
Kana walu men tanda kana ini matano. Saka look at Brian Bunsa.
Iya.
Hey, how's weather?
Oh yeah.
Iya.
Ana sini atu kuna mengo jeda timbu.
Iya.
The secret Vasu is sick, too much eating meat.
Boy, very healthy man, boy.
Yes.
Hah?
Be careful of your diet.
Iya.
Because diet play a major role in your life.
Di Nazara.
Sometimes we ask ourselves
What
why.
we eat is what we are.
Yeah.
Dapat tiloma.
But I don't understand.
Iya.
I don't understand. Demes is very 69 kg.
Iya.
Very small.
Iya.
But the stomach is pop out.
Does not appear. Does not appear.
Oi.
Ngunu beben tu
He's got the kona tube nita.
Iya.
Wrap around this way.
Ela panale sumena pakasudu.
Gua na tayo ko sa katali musume ram-ram. Ko na hulta sa nga.
Ulta ya.
Ulta sana.
Skydive. Tamay makilis.
Iya.
Isa na recipe ni bulan yan itutundi na.
Iya.
Be careful of your diet. Be careful of what you put
Sana,
inside.
bigyan mo ng turang,
Be careful of what you
Iya.
drink.
Ano kan din? Oya ubi kami ng turang.
Iya.
Dilo ko nagalakamay ko mas tayo sa kalim ko.
Iya.
Ano pa kalim?
Iya dire sa nga.
Oleh belum tahu ku sa andro ka budi tamay kina.
Iya.
Oh ka.
Oy.
Asa magkano na ta? Baka
Oh,
na
living.
ko sa budi sa.
Iya.
Sa sinigiran ni baka mo kaya ra.
Nasi pamunan rame seklir na kay. Iya.
Ausa ka Indonesia sa ngiran dulu ko prada.
Iya.
Dulu ko prada may Hawel Road.
Iya.
Sa ngiran daw ngito ko biyo italingu.
Iya.
Oy ko sinlebu-lebu na katuwi ko.
Iya.
Lebu-lebu turmate.
Iya.
Nakamada kamu. Sa mo kana pa andong Indonesia.
Natapos ang kain tolabi ko bunin nung sarang kay pas may tubukor kakit.
Ha?
Tabo tapa si endo na puno.
Sa sinutama.
Oy.
Sa ngito ko ko biyo ya.
Iya.
Mo kana pa andong Indonesia.
Oy.
Kaya makosa, tabula mo ganito kanan singa lebu.
Right.
Miusakan singa lebu.
Iya.
Mosakan sa nang mukana.
Wondo nga.
Iya, bukan doa nga. Menggaya kabi, sa rin doa ability.
Right.
Kasi nga.
But you feel the change in your body.
Iya, bukan doa.
Iya.
Well, na ilus sa opsin kita rotan mendoyan ramon ko naman eh.
Iya.
Sandur sa nga.
Oy.
Kaya na sabot sa yang.
Iya.
Yang mana lebu ni uro.
Right.
Lebu.
Iya.
Kasi ni pamunta kami na kamay eh.
Iya.
But thank you, Demes.
Iya.
You very good.
You know,
Iya.
I want to tell you something. If that tightness is still within you,
Iya.
this is the reason with that. Mena pa madalta kami kung nalaman mo takapa.
Oy, usin may bunuay.
Siya nga, mati ko sa mau kilat
O
to
sa
ka na
budget tu man naman abot to ha.
Eh.
Okay, tu ko may ka mo may baka madala. Baka sala.
Iya, siya nga mau mati ko na rin kila.
Iya.
Natapos sa timi Indra Yaki, Mika.
Eh na
Dua. Go.
na utu tinonda sui na nonda situ na na lolo di moko.
Ah, lolo ni moko. Iya.
Lolo di moko.
Iya.
Kwa melombili me prestaki.
Huy.
Iya.
O kami kuni prestaki na ngangalo.
Iya.
Kuni prestaki na linga.
Na tongs.
Na tongs.
Me ara may kin.
Saya orang apa tu?
Kaya baka tukulo na si Miao, iwagel di men. Kaya na tongs na bosa. Iwagel di samu.
Hey. Kailangan ng brutal
Ya sarang kaya ako nang sa musik kila. Isa din may tumba. Ardo ta kaber nang nandre nga bata kina loli. Kemni sa nang bibi ni beko nakalua.
Halo, ame.
Ya na sini mula pa ni binaket kita sa ba.
Iya.
Anta sa tan pa lele na Fiji showcase lo mani malo ketengko.
Dono.
Very inspiring to the Fiji Island. Thank you very much. We love you all.
Thank you for
Continue.
tuning
Be
in.
careful of your diet. Be careful of what you drink. Be
Yeah.
careful what you eat.
Right.
And be careful of what you watching.
Dono.
I'm Demes.
Kurmundo.
Turun tani.
Like heart ngay seta ka